The 17th of March, Dr. Tsao Guang was going about his normal duties at the China-Guinea Friendship Hospital. On that day, he admitted a patient with a strange fever.
I could see his left eye was completely red and the gastric juice was dark brown. I had never seen this before and was scared. After I injected into the patient, he began to bleed seriously. Even the sheets were soaked in blood.
The patient died the next evening. Then 4 of his relatives, and one by one local doctors and nurses began falling ill. Dr. Tsao Guang also touched the first victim.
The patient was restless. We suspected it's cerebral hemorrhage. The situation was very urgent, so I touched the patient.
And then the news of an Ebola outbreak in Guinea. The Chinese medical team leader then had to make a difficult choice. Tsao Guang was isolated alongside Dr. Wu, who also had come into contact with the Ebola case. While there, he recorded his experiences on Weibo.
There wasn't any infectious disease reporting system, or at least I'd never seen that. Here in Guinea Hospital, there was no infectious diseases department. Doctors had no awareness to protect themselves. The only surgical towel in our operating room was already bloody and still in use.
He checked himself daily for signs of Ebola. His temperature, the color of his eyes, even the slightest high temperature could be a sign. For him, a lucky escape. But for hundreds of others, Ebola has proven a death sentence. Maria Galang, CCTV.